Hi, welcome to the Strayos Academy. Today we'll be talking about the cut fill tool within the platform and how to navigate it, visualize it, and some of the help information that comes associated with it. So first we'll want to navigate to a data set that exists in a area where it has information to be compared to. So in this case, we have a post and pre-blast. So if we were to navigate to the cut fill analysis, we just toggle on cut fill. We can select our comparison type. If we have a DXF file in which you want to compare, say, a design to a planned, we can drag and drop that here. If we want to compare to another data set, we can just click another data set and then the specific one. In this case, there are only 2 projects within this specific site, but if there were more, we would have a larger section. We can also, once it begins, we can switch the post VR, which is the name of this project, and the pre-VR, and kind of go from there. So from here, from this visualization, we can see the cut in red and the fill in blue. Now, the reason why this information may be a little different for this data set is it may not be an appropriately geo-referenced or calibrated model. So obviously it's looking at differences in, say, elevation and XY. So if the model does not have centimeter level accuracy, when comparing the 2 models, it may throw off what it thinks specific volumes are. That can be kind of alleviated by using this calibrate elevation tool, and that will at least bring the Z up there. But in order to have an appropriate X and Y, a centimeter level accurate GPS or PPK or RTK drone will need to be used. So once we're looking at these visualizations, we can kind of change the colors and kind of the depth in which we're applying that cut and fill to. After that, we can actually export the direct cut fill results, provided they are appropriate for what we're looking to do. So we can click that. We can export as a PDF or a DXF. We can do our custom contours, precision, as well as an EPSG code. We can also navigate to help.strayos.com to actually understand more about this kind of. The reason why cut fill is important, is because the volumetrics associated with it, especially when you're comparing pits of the same area, but at different times throughout the year. So you want to compare, oh, now we've stripped this area, or we've, our stockpiles have dwindled, or our stockpiles have grown. It's a lot of that. So this is just kind of a individual step-by-step guide to understand it. As we can see, this visualization is more rational and becoming for a overall pit versus kind of the non-geo-referenced pre and post blast that we saw before. This would be the simple report. And it's also, directly importable into a CAD software as shown here. Really any software that takes DXF files, it's exportable into. So I hope this has been beneficial. If you have any questions, please navigate to strayos.com or click the support section at the bottom. Thank you very much and have a great rest of your day. Bye.